go. Ready, go.
Zoe, go again? We have to go up the hill. Dada will pull you.
You ready, buddy? You ready? Up.
It's fun.
You ready? Can we go see Mama? Is this fun?
Again. Is that fun? Again, do you like this? This is called sledding. Can you say sledding? Sledding.
Go again.
You want to go again?
Yeah.
Say Dada, please.
Please.
Dada, please. Here we go. Up, 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 up.